I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. Welcome to this quick and intuitive guide. What are hyperparameters in machine learning, and how do we tune them for better accuracy? Let's set the stage with a title and a subtitle. Before we dive in, here's the big idea. Hyperparameters are the knobs we set before training starts, like learning rate, batch size, and number of epochs. Parameters are what the model learns, like weights and biases. Let's visualize this with two panels. Let's look at a tiny neural network and tag the key hyperparameters we can tune. We will draw 3 layers of nodes with connections. Learning rate controls how big each update step is. Batch size controls how many examples we use per update. Epochs is how many times we pass through the whole dataset. Regularization helps prevent overfitting. Learning rate, ETA, sets the size of each step down the loss hill. The basic update rule is W new equals W old minus ETA times the gradient of the loss. Here is a simple loss landscape. We will show 2 learning rates, a small one that moves carefully and a large one that may overshoot. Batch size is how many examples we use to compute one gradient update. Small batches introduce more noise, but can generalize well. Big batches are steadier, but may require careful tuning of the learning rate. Let's imagine a dataset as a grid of examples and highlight one mini batch. The number of updates per epoch equals dataset size divided by batch size. For example, if the dataset size is 10,000 and the batch size is 32, then steps per epoch is about 313. Epochs count how many times we pass through the entire dataset. Here are training and validation loss curves across epochs. Training loss should go down, validation loss goes down, and then sometimes up again when overfitting starts. A common trick is early stopping. Stop at the epoch where validation loss is minimal. For practical tuning, try this checklist. 1. Start with a moderate learning rate, like 0.01. If loss is not decreasing, increase slightly. If it bounces, decrease. 2. Try batch sizes like 32, 64, 128, and watch validation accuracy and training speed. 3. Try 2 to 20 epochs with early stopping. 4. Consider learning rate schedules, regularization, and always evaluate on a validation set. 5. Prefer random search or Bayesian tuning over a full grid when you have many knobs. Let's tie it together with a quick calculation. Suppose dataset size is 10,000, batch size is 32, and epochs equals 10. Steps per epoch is 313. Total updates is 3,130. If we increase batch size to 256, then steps per epoch drop to about 40, so updates per epoch are fewer, but each step uses more data. You may need to increase the learning rate a little to keep progress steady. That's the essence of hyperparameters. Learning rate, batch size, and epochs are your core levers. Tune them thoughtfully, monitor validation performance, and stop early to avoid overfitting. This is Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. Happy model tuning.